Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to understand that how to reshape our panel data for analysis in the software like eViews, Stata, etc. Now you can see that this is my panel data whereby I have taken 14-year period starting from 2008 till 2021, and you can see it is a 14-year data, and also I have taken 45 companies over here. So, as you know that for analysis, such data is not acceptable and we need to reshape our panel data for the analysis. If you're not aware about the softwares like Tableau, you will be manually transposing this data, which is a time consuming process, and also you can tend to commit some mistake. So here is an easy task for you, which I'm going to tell you that only with one click, single click, you can transpose your entire data as per the softwares which is being required. Now, here is one add-in which I have put into the Excel. So you can see in the Excel that I have put some add-in, that is Tableau. Once you will activate this add-in, it will be shown under your taskbar. For example, if I show you, then I have this add-in over here. For example, if I go to my options and then add-ins and then manage add-ins, and you can see that I have inserted Tableau software, Tableau 7 add-in over here. Now, how to get this Tableau add-in? I have also posted one video that how to install this Tableau add-in in your Excel, and also a link is being given to you in the description, whereby if you will click the link and follow all these steps, you can simply install the Tableau add-in in your Excel. Otherwise, you can watch that video that how to install the Tableau add-in in your Excel. Once you have inserted that Tableau add-in, it will be shown over here. And with the help of this simple click, I'll be able to transpose my entire data and reshape my panel data as per my requirement. There is one more suggestion before you before you transpose the data. Before name of the company, put the serial numbers also, because that will again make your task very easy. For example, let me show you that what sort of data is being required. So if I show you, then after for the analysis in the softwares, such sort of data is being required, whereby again the name of the companies is being replaced by the codes 1, then Adani Power Limited will be replaced by the code 2, and for so on. So again, if you will put the serial number over here, it will make your task easy, that you can then delete the name of the companies and only keep it 1, 2, 3, 4 codes till 45. You can see if I will scroll down, then it has transpose my data and reshape my data, and you can see the last company can be replaced by the code numbers 45. And believe me, all these things can be done with the help of a single click. And you can see I have a large data, not even that large data. In fact, you can be confronted with such a large data that you're working with 30-year period where you're working with 1,000 companies, and then it becomes completely impossible to transpose the data manually. So I am going to show you that with the help of the single click, you are able to get the desired data. Now what you have to do is, first, you skip all these part like serial number, name of the company, ownership sector. All this will be taken into the consideration. Only what you have to do is you go to the first cell from where the transposing of actual data is being required, and then just go to the Tableau and go to this reshape data and click OK. And just with the help of this single button, you will get your desired data. And I'm pressing OK. So you can see that with the help of this single click and not even less than 1 minute, my entire data is being transferred one more sheet over here, and see, now entire data is being transposed with the help of a single click. Now I can change and rename them as year and as size, because my data is related to the all this data is related to the size of the company, which have been calculated as log of the total assets of the company. So like this, I have converted the entire data. So you can see the name of the company. Since I had 14-year data, the name of the company will be reflected 14 times. So you can see the count is 14. And every time, and for each and every company, you will see the name will be reflected 14 times. And see, this is because we have transported the data from 2008 to 2021. And this is how Tableau can do magics to your research analysis. Very easy add-in, available free of cost. You can just simply insert it and make your life easy. I hope you like the video. Thank you for your cooperation.